Today we have a little variation on the low inventory alert theme, which is that we are going to drop this into a Notion database. So if you've seen any of these inventory alert workflows in the past, this will be familiar. We are starting with an inventory level update trigger. Now, the best way to test these is going to be to actually turn it on and then pop over and make a change to your inventory, because there's not a real easy way to grab test data outside of that. But if you do that, it should pop in there, and then you'll be able to reference that in the future here just in the test panel, so you can turn it off afterwards for your testing to make sure everything's working. But yeah, triggering on inventory level updated, grab the inventory item, grab the variant details with the SKU, retrieve the product variant, and here's where you can check inventory levels. And if they are below a certain threshold, retrieve the product, that'll give us the title, product title. And then here's where you're saving that to Notion, and you want to select the database. When you hit retrieve properties, it'll populate these properties. Here's my Notion database, and those are my columns. So we're just going to map the quantity available, the SKU, and the product title, and that's about it. Here's what that test run looks like, and that's how it adds it in. Nice and simple. Probably want to add a timestamp here, at least at a bare minimum. I don't know too much about Notion, but I'm curious if, oh yeah, the last edited or created time. Let's add that into the mix. Created time, that's helpful. And as always, you can find this on the automation demos section of the blog. You can download that workflow and take it from there. If you need help setting that up, feel free to let us know.